fastest way to root plant cuttings in water. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden. So today I'm gonna make an experiment. So I just bought a new variety of tomato that I'm gonna try to see if I can get multiple seedlings from them. So I'm gonna do an experiment today to see what's the fastest way to get rootings from any cut plant, tomato, or tree that you want. So I'm gonna use a different method. I'm gonna try three different things, and let's see which one does best, and then we'll see if we can start using that to multiply our various plants that we have. You might use it on a tree, you might use it on a regular vegetable, plant, fruits, whatever. So I'm gonna try that, and stay tuned for, let's see how it goes, and then we'll come back maybe after a couple of days or after a week and see what does best among the three experiments that I'm gonna do. So hopefully this helps you out. So let's go. So this is a tomato plant that I bought, and I'm just gonna multiply it, but I just will use it as an experiment to see which way which is the fastest way to root it. As you can see, it has quite a few extra coming out, so I'm gonna use these ones to make the experiment. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna break it off like this. You can use a clipper, you can use knife or any tool. I'm just gonna use my hand to just break it off like that. Okay, break this out like that. So right there we have, let's take out this one. So we have three of them right here. We got three of them. So I'm gonna make an experiment over here to see which is the fastest rooting agent, or what is the fastest way to root any regular plant. So I have three experiments on this one. I'm gonna show you that one that's using soil, and this one is using water, but they're different variation of it. You have regular water over here, you have water over here plus hydrogen peroxide, and over here we're gonna have just regular hydrogen peroxide in the water. So I'm just gonna start with it, and then we're just gonna put a couple of drops in this one. The first one, just gonna put a couple of drops of hydrogen peroxide in here. That's it. That is it. So those two are all set. So the first one I'm gonna do is this one, which is the hydrogen peroxide with the rooting agent. So I'm just gonna steep this in that solution like that, and then just take out the water, just dab that in the rooting agent like that, and then we put it into that container like that. So the next one is just regular water. Just gonna put this like this in the regular water, and the next one is hydrogen peroxide. Just gonna put this in the hydrogen peroxide, and there we go. So wait and see how it goes in a couple of days. If you like the video, please hit the like button so that you don't forget, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Okay, it's been 3 days since we put our experiment in water. Let's check it. So this is the one with water. We lift it up. You see some tiny coming out. This is hydrogen peroxide plus the rooting agent. Okay, I don't see any roots coming out yet. That stem was there when we put it in. I don't see anything coming out yet. So let's put it back and we'll wait a couple more days. Okay, so this one is the hydrogen peroxide. Just a couple of drops of hydrogen peroxide in water. You can see this one much better root system than the other two that I just showed you. Looks like this one is doing much better. It's producing much better root system than the other ones. Okay, this is it after 1 week. Let's see how they all did. This is a regular water right here. Pull it out. You can see the regular water, the roots came out already and they're good. Let's put that back. This one is regular water. This one is hydrogen peroxide. This is just hydrogen peroxide with nothing else. Look at that. Hydrogen peroxide with nothing else. Just hydrogen peroxide in the water. It came out very well. And this one is hydrogen peroxide with a rooting agent on it. Let's see how this did. As you can see, this one didn't come out right. The roots didn't come out that well. This one was just a root that was a little stem that was left there, but no roots came out. I guess the rooting agent, I think, prevented it from even rooting out. So rooting agent didn't. So far, what did work the best is this one, just the hydrogen peroxide in the water. It was able to produce a lot of roots compared to this one, which is just regular water. So compare the roots and the water. You see the hydrogen peroxide one did much better. So that is it. That's how you can how to root. Fastest way to root any cutting in water. That's how you do it. So that's the fastest way I know so far. But if you have a faster way or you know of a faster way of doing it, please let me know in the comments below. But I've tried different things and looks like this one is the fastest way to get your roots to produce so that you can transplant them. So going forward, I'm gonna use hydrogen peroxide to root my my plants or plant cuttings. So the next step we're gonna do right now is we're gonna transplant it in our containers and then let it just continue growing from there. So I have my potting mix here and I'm just gonna put this inside. You want to make sure that all the roots system is covered with soil like that. And then you water it and put it somewhere that's nice sunlight, and it's gonna grow. So I'll do the next one. Next one here is the water, the one with the water. Just put it in there like that. You wanna, like I said, bury the roots. Since the roots are already coming out, it should start growing immediately and absorbing nutrients with the roots. So that is that for that. And then we're gonna do the next one, which is a rooting agent. The rooting agent, the one with the rooting agent didn't do really well. But let's see if it survives and it's able to pick up and start going. Just cover the roots like that. So we just water it, soak it up. It's gonna drain out. Since there's a lot of drainage, it's gonna drain out and it should be good to go. Okay, and that is it. So you now know that's the fastest way to root any plant that you want to root, on any cutting that you want to root. Try it out. Let me know in the comments below and see how yours goes. But so far, hydrogen peroxide, a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in water does best. Hopefully this helps you out and helps you multiply your plants and help you get better production from whatever plants that you have. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.